way to the waterfall. I think it's called Pan something waterfall here in Pai. I actually like Pai because it's a little town, little city. Not a lot of cars, but a lot of foreigners. This is the way to the waterfall?
Yeah.
House, which is old ancient house, classic they call it. There's a little pond here. Going up the steep hill. Of course, that's where the waterfall's at. Taking you way up the hill.
There's no waterfall.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh wow, no waterfall, so dried. The waterfall, no, all dried up. They're in drought. This looks like the forest has been burnt down. All the bamboos have been burnt. So sad. No waterfalls for you guys to watch, for you to see. It's so dried up. See, tiny bits of waterfall down there. There you go. That's the waterfall. No waterfall. It's all dried up. The waterfall is supposed to be right here. But no. Maybe next year, huh? Maybe next year. Here, I'll film some mangoes for you guys to see. Some mango season, so everywhere you go, you'll see mangoes. I'm so sorry, no waterfalls.
Looking for mango.
Well, I'll film some of the scenery for you guys to see. Okay, let's go to the bamboo bridge is next. It might not be as pretty as the picture because it's not rice season. It's very narrow. Going up the mountain we go. Very, very narrow. Here's slow down. It's a car. Oh, this is very narrow. Very high up. There's a lot of motorbikes here. There's a cafe here. Love
In
the
200
view.
meters, keep left at the fork.
Countryside.
No water, no fields, no nothing.
Well, at least we got to see the view, right? Sightseeing. Taking you guys with us to see what this area has. Why everybody likes to come to Pi, right? Okay, we are here at the Bamboo Bridge. Let's see where it is. They have a little shop right there. Where's the Bamboo Bridge? Is that the bridge here? See, the water is all pretty dried up. Probably pretty when it's full of water. Oh, there comes the buffalo. Buffalo must have drank all the water up, huh? Oh, they're coming this way. They're probably hungry, looking for food. There is, I saw it. I see the Bamboo Bridge. Super hot. The heat is intense. But there's wind, so it's not too bad. Bet you it's beautiful here when it's the rice season. Bamboo tree house. Nice and cool up here.
nhưng mà dạng cho nó cho nó số thì dạng cho nó khác.
This little heart here is pretty.
Yeah, này.
It's summer, so everything looks dead. Next. The cows are going home. It's too hot. They're going back into their house. This one's buffalo. It's too hot, so I'm not gonna walk there. There's some cool breeze, so it's not too bad in here. Oh, that's on a video. Okay, we are done here with the bamboo bridge. I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Lianchi fruit.